Hi students, welcome back to Chaitanya Mathematics Academy classes, and today class is first year mathematics A paper trigonometric chapter long answer questions. Already 15 questions completed. Now the question is 16th one. Okay, prove that R into R1 plus R2 plus R3 equals to AB plus BC plus CA minus S square. Okay, so what is the LHS? R into R plus 1, R into R1 plus R2 plus R3 equals to, we have to show that answer is AB plus BC plus CA minus S square. Okay, right. Substitute the values of R, R1, R2, R3 means formulas. Okay, already we used it in the previous problem. Okay, so R means delta by S. Formula of R is delta by S and R1 is delta by S minus A, and R2 formula is delta by S minus B, and R3 formula is delta by S minus C. Okay, so these are the formulas of R, R1, R2, R3. Clear? Okay, now the outside delta by S as it is. Okay, and inside is LCM is, see LCM there is different terms means LCM is as it is S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Okay, S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So see, the denominator is S minus A, so S minus A completed. Now in this missing is S minus B is missing and S minus C is missing. Okay, so S minus B miss होगा इसमें, S minus C miss होगा, means multiply the missing terms to the sorry, multiply the denominator with, right, before that from the numerator delta is the common. Okay, from the numerator delta is the common, so delta is the common means the remaining is, alright, so delta is common, so means delta is common means outside is delta common, outside is delta means delta square. Okay, so delta is common means 1 by S minus A, and the second one is 1 by S minus B and plus 1 by S minus C. Clear? Okay, so delta is common, delta को common निकाल दिए. Okay, remaining is 1 by S minus A, 1 by S minus B, 1 by S minus C. Outside already there delta is there, so delta is common means one more delta means delta into delta, delta square. Okay, so now outside again as it is delta square by S. Okay, and inside is, what is the LCM? S minus A, different terms means product of different terms, so S minus B into S minus C. Clear? See, the first one denominator is S minus A, so S minus C is completed, so S minus B is missing in this, also S minus C is missing, means multiply with the missing terms to the numerator. जो भी denominator में miss होगा इसमें वो terms से numerator को multiply करना. फिर what is the numerator? 1 means S minus B into S minus C into 1 means same S minus B into S minus C. Clear? And plus, and S minus B, okay, S minus A is missing, S minus C is missing, S minus A into S minus C 1, S minus A into S minus C. Clear? And plus, and in last one S minus C is there means S minus A is missing, S minus B is missing, means multiply with 1 means S minus A into S minus B. Okay, so right, now again outside term delta square by S as it is. Now multiply the numerator terms. Yes, okay, S into S, S square, and S into C minus S into C, S C, S into S, S into C completed. Okay, now with minus B into S minus BS or minus SB. Next B into C, minus into minus plus B into C, BC. Remaining same as it is, S into S, S square minus S into C, SC, and minus A into S minus AS or SA. Okay, right. Next minus A into minus C plus AC, then next with s into s s square minus s into b sb and minus a into s minus as or sa minus into minus plus ab. Okay, see the denominator is, see the outside term is little bit change in outside term, write the delta square only, write s inside, write the s is outside, s is multiply with denominator s into s minus a, s minus b and s minus c. Clear? Okay, so s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Okay, now delta square outside as it is, see that in inside term s square plus s square plus s square, how many terms? 3s square. Okay, how many terms? 3s square. See, minus sa minus sa means minus 2sa minus sb minus sb minus 2sb and minus sc minus sc means minus 2sc means minus 2sa minus 2sb minus 2sc. Right? Next, what is the remaining? ab plus bc plus ca or ac. Okay, ab plus bc plus ac. Right? So denominator, see the denominator, we know the formula delta equals to square root of s into s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. If square root is not there means the formula is delta square. Okay, so we know the formula delta equals to square root of s into s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. So there is no square root means delta square term. Okay, right. So in denominator, if there is a root, then we can write delta. There is no square root means delta square. Okay, right. See, the numerator is delta square, the denominator is delta square, get cancelled. Okay, the remaining is 3s square minus 2s is the common from these three terms. Okay, minus 2s को 3 terms से common निकालेंगे. So minus 2s common निकाले तो a and plus b and plus c. Okay, then outside term remaining as it is ab plus bc, ac can be written as ca. Clear? Right. Next, c 3s square as it is minus 2s minus 2sc. We know the formula of a plus b plus c. So we have a plus b plus c formula is 2s. Okay, remaining again as it is ab plus bc plus ca. Okay, right. So that implies 3s square minus 2s into 2s, 2 into 2 4, s into s, s square and plus ab plus bc plus ca as it is. Clear? Okay, ab plus bc plus ca as it is. Now write the positive terms first of all. First write ab, then write plus bc, then write plus ca. Okay, and 3s square minus 4s square means minus s square. Clear? The required answer ab plus bc plus ca. 3s square minus 4s square means 1s square minus 1s square. Clear? So this is the solution of 16th one. Okay, now the next problem is 17th long question of trigonometry. Okay, I am write the question. Right. The next question is 17th one. Prove that cot a by 2 plus cot b by 2 plus cot c by 2 equal by denominator is cot a plus cot b plus cot c equals to, we have to prove that answer is a plus b plus c whole square by a square plus b square plus c square. Okay, right. So the solution, see the question is, observe the question. नुमरेटर अगर सिंगल अपन को प्रूव करना है, नुमरेटर सेपरेट 4 मार्क्स में ऑलरेडी अपन कंप्लीट कर दिए एंड डिनोमिनेटर भी 4 मार्क्स को पूछता है. सेपरेट नुमरेटर अलग क्वेश्चन पूछे तो 4 मार्क्स, डिनोमिनेटर अलग क्वेश्चन पूछे तो 4 मार्क्स। ऑलरेडी अपन 4 मार्क्स प्रॉब्लम्स में न्यूमरेटर का प्रॉब्लम भी कंप्लीट होगा एंड डिनोमिनेटर का प्रॉब्लम भी कंप्लीट होगा। प्रूव दैट बोल के न्यूमरेटर दे के एक आंसर देते, वो ऑलरेडी अपन 4 मार्क्स के कंप्लीट कर दिए, एक बार वीडियो देख ले सकते। और नेक्स्ट डिनोमिनेटर आल्सो सेपरेट प्रूव दैट बोल के डिनोमिनेटर का आंसर दे देते। सो इसका भी अपन ऑलरेडी 4 मार्क्स में कंप्लीट हो गया, एक बार वीडियो अपलोड कर दिए गए ऑलरेडी, वो एक बार देख सकते, राइट। बट कमिंग टू द 7 मार्क्स क्वेश्चन, न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर दो प्रॉब्लम्स मिला के पूछे तो किसमें पूछते हैं? 7 मार्क्स में पूछते, राइट। सो न्यूमरेटर इज सेपरेट इन 4 मार्क्स, ऑलरेडी वीडियो कंप्लीटेड, and denominator also separate in 4 marks, already that class also completed. Now mixed numerator and denominator is there for 7 marks. Okay, now in this problem also separate the numerator. First of all we have to find out numerator. Cot a by 2 plus cot b by 2 plus cot c by 2, सेम सोल्यूशन 4 मार्क्स में जो भी अपन करें सेम एज इट इज करना, बट सेपरेट ये क्या है? न्यूमरेटर का आंसर सब्स्टिट्यूट करना, डिनोमिनेटर का आंसर सब्स्टिट्यूट करना, सिंप्लीफाई करके वो राइट साइड में जो आंसर आरएचएस दिए वो आरएचएस अपन प्रूव करना है। ओके, क्लियर, राइट। सो cot a by 2, cot b by 2, cot c by 2, we have the formulas for cot a by 2, cot b by 2, cot c by 2 in properties of triangle. So cot a by 2 means square root of s into s minus a by s minus b into s minus c, and plus cot b by 2 square root of s into s minus b by s minus c into s minus a. Next plus square root of cot c by 2 formula s into s minus c by s minus a into s minus b. These are the formulas for cot a by 2, cot b by 2 and cot c by 2. Now separate the root. Separate the two root to the each and every term. Root s and into root s minus a by root s minus b and square root of s minus c. Just separate the roots for the each and every term, whether it is numerator and also it is denominator. Okay, so square root s and square root of s minus b by square root s minus c and square root s minus a plus square root of s and square root of s minus c by square root of s minus a and square root of s minus b. Clear? Okay, right. So see the denominator. What is the LCM? Before LCM, see from numerator what is the common term? From numerator what is the common term? Root s is the common term. Okay, root s is the common term. Remaining is root s minus a by square root of s minus b square root of s minus c. We can do directly. Okay, right. Last we have to separate the numerator is separately. Okay, right. Okay, what is the numerator? What is the denominator? What is the LCM? LCM is square root of s minus a is different term, s minus b is different term, s minus c is the different term. So denominator means LCM is denominator b c term, c a term, a b term, means separate individual separate term is root s minus a, root s minus b, root s minus c. So square root of s minus a, square root of s minus b into square root of s minus c. See, square root of s minus b is there, square root of s minus c is there. What is missing in first denominator? Square root of s minus a is missing. Okay, square root of s minus b है वहाँ पे, square root of s minus c है भी, right? So कौन सा मिस होगा यहाँ पे डिनोमिनेटर में? रूट s minus a मिस होगा, means जो भी मिस होगा टर्म उससे न्यूमरेटर को मल्टीप्लाई करो. Okay, so root s is there and see रूट एस माइनस ए इसमें मिस हो गया, सो इससे न्यूमरेटर को मल्टीप्लाई करना है. ऑलरेडी न्यूमरेटर में सेम स्टेप है और एक बार मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे बोले तो क्या होता? स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ एस माइनस ए टू दी होल स्क्वायर. clear, and second term also root s, and see root s minus c is there, root s minus a is there. What is missing? Root s minus b is missing, means multiply with the root s minus b to the numerator. Numerator already root s minus b, same term again in this also square root of s minus b to the whole square, and next one also square root of s, right, same root s minus a is there, root s minus b is there. कौन सा मिस है उसमें? रूट ऑफ s माइनस सी इसमें मिस है, तो इससे न्यूमरेटर को मल्टीप्लाई करना. फिर न्यूमरेटर में ऑलरेडी और एक बार सेम स्टेप है ना, सो सेम रूट s माइनस सी को मल्टीप्लाई करो तो क्या होता है? स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ s माइनस सी टू दी होल स्क्वायर. क्लियर? नाउ सी फ्रॉम न्यूमरेटर व्हाट इज द कॉमन? root s into what is the common? Root s is the common, square root of s is the common. Okay, right, square root of s is common means next remaining square root cancel, square root cancel, square root cancel. Clear? Now what is the remaining? S minus a is remaining, s minus b is remaining, s minus c is remaining. Okay, now the denominator, write the denominator in one root, square root of s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Clear? Okay, see डिनोमिनेटर देखो एक बार, रूट s माइनस a, s माइनस b, s माइनस c. अपने को डेल्टा फार्मूला, वी हैव द डेल्टा फार्मूला स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. So if we want to write this one is delta means इनसाइड इज s इज मिसिंग इनसाइड. ओके, रूट के अंदर s मिस हो गया, सो रूट के अंदर s मिस हो गया बोले तो मल्टीप्लाई एंड डिवाइड विथ, मल्टीप्लाई एंड डिवाइड विथ रूट s, मल्टीप्लाई एंड डिवाइड विथ रूट s. मल्टीप्लाई करना अगर और रूट s से डिवाइड करना, राइट. सो मल्टीप्लाई एंड डिवाइड विथ रूट s करना है, सो न्यूमरेटर में इंटू करना और डिनोमिनेटर में भी इंटू करना है. ओके, राइट. नेक्स्ट okay, what is the term? Multiply and divide with root s. Okay, right. So numerator is square root of s, I am writing same, multiply and divide with root s. root s already और एक root s है, so s minus a plus s minus b प्लस s माइनस सी. ओके, एक्स्ट्रा रूट s लिखा, प्रीवियस स्टेप जो भी है वो सेम लिख दिए, एंड रूट s इंटू रूट s माइनस ए, रूट s माइनस बी एंड रूट s माइनस सी. क्लियर? ओके, जो टर्म है वो टर्म सेम लिख दिए, बट मल्टीप्लाई विथ रूट s and divide with root s. Okay, right. See the numerator, root s into root s to the whole square means yes. Okay, or root s to the whole square. What is inside? s plus s, 3 terms is there means 3s. Let minus is common from remaining terms, minus a, minus b, minus c. Minus is common means a plus b plus c, and the denominator is, write the denominators in one root, s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Clear? Square root cancel means s into c, 3s minus, we know the formula, a plus b plus c equals to 2s. And see the denominator is, we have direct formula delta. We know the delta formula is square root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. So delta, and see numerator is s into 3s minus 2s, s by delta. That implies s into s, s square by delta. This is the answer of numerator. Okay, so numerator का आंसर अपने को कंप्लीट होगा. सेम आंसर एज इट इज आंसर अपने को 4 मार्क्स में भी पूछता, वो ऑलरेडी अपन 4 मार्क्स के प्रॉब्लम्स में सॉल्यूशन कंप्लीट कर दिए, राइट. सो इसमें भी और एक बार क्लियर बोल दिए. नाउ द डिनोमिनेटर, व्हाट इज द डिनोमिनेटर? cot a plus cot b plus cot c. let it is equation number 1. Numerator का answer, what is the numerator answer? S square by delta is the numerator answer. Now we have to find out answer of the denominator. Okay, now cot A plus cot B plus cot C, but we don't know the direct formula of cot A, cot B, cot C in properties of triangle. We have to write general formula. Cot theta general formula is cos theta by sin theta, cos theta by sin theta, and this one also cot theta means cos theta by sin theta, and this one also cot theta means cos theta by sin theta, means theta के जगह पे a है, b है, c है. So generally उसका formulas लिख दिए. Now we have the formulas for cos a and sin a, right? Cos a formula b square plus c square minus a square by, सो इसका फार्मूला नेक्स्ट स्टेप में लिखेंगे, यहाँ पे नहीं आता. ओके, राइट. सो नेक्स्ट cos a फार्मूला, व्हाट इज cos a फार्मूला? cos a फार्मूला इज b स्क्वायर प्लस c स्क्वायर माइनस a स्क्वायर बाय 2bc. ओके, एंड बाय डिनोमिनेटर, व्हाट इज द डिनोमिनेटर? sin a. वी नो द sin a फार्मूला a by 2r. क्लियर. न्यूमरेटर cos a फार्मूला प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ ट्रायंगल में है, sin a का भी प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ ट्रायंगल में है. एज इट इज फार्मूला लिख दिया, एक्स्ट्रा कुछ भी नहीं लिखा. नाउ राइट द cos b फार्मूला. cos b फार्मूला इज c स्क्वायर प्लस a स्क्वायर माइनस b स्क्वायर बाय 2ca बाय डिनोमिनेटर sin b फार्मूला इज, वी हैव द sin b फार्मूला b by 2r. क्लियर. Next cos c formula in properties of triangle, a square plus b square minus c square by 2ab by denominator is c by 2r. Clear. Cos a formula, sin a formula substitution completed. Cos b formula, sin b formula substitution completed. Cos c formula, sin c formula substitution completed. Write the numerator as it is, b square plus c square minus a square by 2bc, and this one the denominator become reciprocal to the numerator, a by 2r become 2r by a. Okay, and plus next one again same as it is, c square plus a square minus b square by 2ca. Again the denominator become reciprocal, means reverse, 2r by b. डॉट मीन्स मल्टीप्लाई, राइट. मल्टीप्लाई बोले तो वहां पे क्या करा, डॉट लिखा. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन आल्सो a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर माइनस c स्क्वायर बाय 2ab into the denominator become reciprocal, means 2r by c. Okay, so 2r by a, 2r by b and 2r by c. Okay, right. See, 2 get cancel. Clear. And here also 2 get cancel, here also 2 get cancel. Okay, see the numerator r is the numerator, denominator a b c, r a b c, r a b c. From numerator r is the common, from denominator a into bc, a into bc, a b c, right. Means from denominator a b c is the common. Clear. From numerator a is the common, and from the denominator, sorry, from numerator r is the common, and from denominator a b c is the common. Write the remaining terms, b square plus c square minus a square, and second one c square plus a square minus b square plus a square plus b square minus c square. Clear. Okay, right. So plus b square minus b square get cancel, next plus c square minus c square get cancel, and minus a square plus a square get cancel. See what is the remaining, r into a square plus b square plus c square, a square plus b square plus c square by denominator is a into b into c. Right, let this is equation number 2. So numerator answer complete hoga and denominator also completed, right? Now write the actual question. Therefore the LHS. What is the LHS? Cot A by 2 plus क्वेश्चन लिख रू मैं एज इट इज जो क्वेश्चन दिए वो क्वेश्चन LHS बोल के लिख रू cot A by 2 प्लस cot B by 2 प्लस cot C by 2 by cot A plus cot B plus cot C. Now substitute in this the numerator answer and the denominator answer. What is the numerator answer? S square by delta. What is the numerator answer? S square by delta. And what is the denominator answer? R into A square plus B square plus C square by ABC. Numerator answer substitution completed and denominator answer substitution completed. Okay, now we have to simplify this one and we have to prove RHS answer A plus B plus C whole square by A square plus B square plus C square. Okay, right. Now simplify. See, first of all, S square by delta, right? So numerator as it is. Next denominator reciprocal means reverse, means ABC by R into A square प्लस बी स्क्वायर प्लस सी स्क्वायर. डिनोमिनेटर को न्यूमरेटर में लिख गए बोले तो उसका मतलब क्या है? उसका रेसिप्रोकल लिखे. ओके, राइट. नाउ सी एस स्क्वायर बाय डेल्टा मीन्स actually we have the formula delta equals to ABC by 4R, right? We have the formula delta equals to ABC by 4R. okay, so ABC by 4R means okay, इसको सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे अपन, राइट? सो डेल्टा एज इट इज लिखो, डेल्टा एज इट इज लिखे ABC डेल्टा इक्वल्स टू वी नो फार्मूला, वी नो डेल्टा इक्वल्स टू ABC by 4R, but we need ABC value. ABC value means cross multiplication, right? Cross multiplication means ABC into 1 ABC equals to 4R delta. इस स्लाइड में दिख रहा कि बोर्ड में लास्ट वाला. ओके, राइट. सो ABC equals to 4R delta. Substitute in this ABC equal to 4R delta. So 4R delta by R into A square plus B square plus C square. Right, okay, right. See, R cancel, delta get cancelled. Clear? Now the remaining is 4S square by A square plus B square plus C square. Clear? And see, 4 can be written as, यहाँ पे लिखेंगे 4 can be written as 2 square. Clear? 4 can be written as 2 square and S square as it is. 2 square S square can be written as 2S to the whole square. Clear? 2 square S square can be written as 2S to the whole square means 2 square S square. And denominator again as it is A square plus B square plus C square. Clear? So we know the formula of 2S. 2S formula is A plus B plus C whole square as it is, by denominator A square plus B square plus C square as it is. Here the 2S formula is A plus B plus C. Clear? So this is the RHS. Clear? A plus B plus C whole square by A square plus B square plus C square. These are the problems of properties of triangle and also trigonometry. 16th long question and 17th long question. Okay, next long question is, right, the next question is, if P1 comma P2 comma P3 are altitudes drawn from vertices A, B, C to the opposite sides of a triangle respectively, then show that 1 by P1 plus 1 by P2 plus 1 by P3 equals to 1 by R. And second question is 1 by P1 plus 1 by P2 minus 1 by P3 equals to 1 by R3. Third question is P1 into P2 into P3 equals to ABC whole square by 8R cube. And also we have to prove one more answer, 8 delta cube by ABC. Clear? Right. So first of all, so the question is, if P1, P2, P3 are the altitudes drawn from a vertices to the triangle. Okay. So first of all we have to draw a triangle. Alright. So triangle ABC. So A is the vertices, B is the vertex, C is the vertex. Okay. P1, P2, P3 are altitudes, means perpendicular or height drawn from vertices A, B, C to the opposite sides. A से एक altitude ड्रा करना opposite side BC को, B से एक altitude ड्रा करना opposite side AC को, C से एक altitude ड्रा करना opposite side AB को. Right? So P1 is the altitude from A to the opposite side. P1 is the altitude from the A to the opposite side. So P1 is the altitude. This is the P1. Okay, to the altitude to the opposite side BC. Okay, next from P2 is from B, right, to the opposite side AC. This one is P2. Clear? And from C, right, from C, okay, C to opposite side is P3. Okay, this is P1, this is from A altitude is P1, from B altitude is P2, from C altitude is P1. Altitude means nothing but perpendicular. Okay, so A से एक perpendicular line ड्रा करे opposite side को, वो कौन सा है? P1. B से एक perpendicular line ड्रा करे opposite side को, वो P2 है. P3 is the altitude from C opposite side AB. Okay, so P1, P2, P3 respectively, then show that. Means total in all problems P1, P2, P3 is there in LHSS. Okay, so means we have to find out P1 value, P2 value and P3 value. Okay, so actual area of the triangle, first of all area of triangle ABC. Okay, area of triangle ABC, we have a formula of delta equals to, area means let A, delta means area. Okay, area equals to, area of the triangle equals to half into base into height, half into base into height. Okay, half into base into height. Let's see, this one is small a. Okay, length of BC equals to A, length of CA equals to B. Okay, this one is B. Okay, next this one is C. Okay, this one is C. Clear? This is A, B, C. Small a is length of BC, small b is length of CA, small c is length of AB. Okay, right. See, write the here BC equals to small a. Okay, CA equals to small b, AB equals to small c. Length of the sides. Okay, C delta equals to half into base. First one, what is the base? First altitude is P1 and base is A, means A is the base and height means altitude is P1. Clear? Area of the triangle ABC means delta. First one layer, delta equals to general formula, half into base into height, 1 by 2 into base into height, right, or half into pH. Okay, half as it is. Base means first altitude is P1 altitude, base is A is the base, height, altitude or height equals to P1. See, 2 is in denominator, it will become numerator, 2 into delta, right, 2 delta equals to A into P1. Clear? Write the reverse. A P1 equals to 2 delta because we need P1 value. Okay, A P1 equals to 2 delta. Okay, P1 equals to 2 delta into A become by A, divide, multiply A become divide. Now we have P1 value. Okay, now similarly we can write directly P2 value. P2 value also we can write 2 delta, but at the place of A we can write B. In examination also we can write directly. Okay, right. Now P3 equals to 2 delta by C. Clear? P1, P2, P3. Okay, so 2 delta by A, 2 delta by B and 2 delta by C. See, from this similarly we can write there is no denominator means 1, P1 by 1, reverse reciprocal 1 by P1. So 1 by P1 means we can write RH is also reverse means A by 2 delta. Clear? Same thing, P2 means P2 by 1 means reverse 1 by P2 equals to 1 by P2 equals to RH is also reverse B by 2 delta. Clear? And this one also see P3 by 1 reciprocal 1 by P3, right side also reciprocal C by 2 delta. Okay, C by 2 delta. Clear? 1 by P1, 1 by P2, 1 by. Now we have the values of P1, P2, P3 and also we have the values of 1 by P1, 1 by P2, 1 by P3. Write the first question. What is the first LHS? 1 by P1 plus 1 by P2 plus 1 by P3. Clear? Now substitute the values. What is 1 by P1? A by 2 delta. Okay, and 1 by P2, what is 1 by P2 value? B by 2 delta. 1 by P3 value C by 2 delta. Clear? Just substitute 1 by P1 value, 1 by P2 value, 1 by P3 value. Okay, what is the LCM? Total denominators are same means LCM is also same 2 delta. So denominators LCM same means numerators as it is. So A plus B plus C by 2 delta. Already we know the numerator A plus B plus C formula is 2S. Denominator is 2 delta. So 2 get cancel. Remaining is S by delta. See, S by delta can be written as reverse delta by S. Clear? Okay. Reciprocal. Delta by S reciprocal is S by delta. Okay. 1 by delta by S formula is R. Delta by S formula is R. Means answer is 1 by R. First answer is 1 by R. Okay. Now the next second one is, what is the second question? Second one is 1 by P1 plus 1 by P2 plus minus 1 by P3. Okay, 1 by P1 plus 1 by P2 minus 1 by P3, right? Substitute the values. Same again, same 1 by P1 A by 2 delta. Okay, and 1 by P2 B by 2 delta and 1 by P3 C by 2 delta. Again substitute just values. Okay, again denominators same means LCM is also same 2 delta. Okay, 2 delta. Again numerators as it is because denominator LCM same means numerator as it is. See, we know A plus B value is 2S minus C as it is by 2 delta. See, we know the formula A plus B plus C equals to formula is 2S. Okay, A plus B plus C equals to 2S, but we need A plus B. So A plus B. Clear? Plus C become minus C. So 2S minus C. Plus C become minus C. Clear? So 2S minus C. C 2S. Okay, minus C minus 2C. Clear? 2S as it is, minus C minus 2C by 2 delta. From numerator 2 is the common. 2 is the common means S minus C by 2 delta. clear, 2 get cancelled, clear. Okay, reciprocal is 1 by, it can be written as delta as it is, s minus c become reciprocal c. Suppose delta by s minus c reciprocal, s minus c by delta, means denominator formula we know already, delta by s minus c means R3. Delta by s minus c answer is R3. Clear? Okay. Second answer also 1 by R3 completed. Now the third one is, what is the third one? P1 into P2 into P3. P1 into P2 into P3. Okay, we have to show that two answers. Okay, see the careful. We have to show that this answer and also we have to show that this one. Okay, so right, P1 value is 2 delta by A. So P1 value 2 delta by A, P2 value 2 delta by B, P3 value 2 delta by C. Just substitute P1 value 2 delta by A and P2 value 2 delta by B and P3 value 2 delta by C. Clear? Okay, see the numerator, 2 into 2, 4, product of numerators, 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8, delta into delta into delta, delta power 3. Delta into delta into delta, delta power 3. Need the product of denominators A into B into C. See, the first answer is completed. Okay, first answer is 8 delta cube by AB. Sorry, second answer. Okay, second answer direct आ गया इसमें 8 delta. First P1, P2, P3 equals to second answer 8 delta cube by ABC आगा. We have to show that one more answer, ABC whole square by 8R cube. Okay, clear? Okay, from this we can find out. Okay, from this, see, delta cube, denominator is R cube. R cube means, okay, see, denominator 8R cube. Okay, right. So 8 delta cube as it is, ABC substitute 4R delta. ABC formula is, ABC value is 4R delta. Because of, okay, we have to show that ABC whole square. Okay, ABC whole square means substitute delta value. 8, we know the delta cube value. See, this can be written as 1 by ABC into 8 delta cube inside. Clear? Right? Okay, so write 8 here. 8 by ABC separate, delta cube separate. So 8 ABC as it is. Delta formula is ABC by 4R. Delta value is ABC by 4R to the whole cube. Okay, 4R cube, delta to the cube. So because we know delta formula is ABC by 4R, direct formula we know, right? Just substitute delta value and cube is as it is. Clear? See, ABC is, there is one term, there is 3 terms means 1 cancel means remaining 2. Okay, right? R, see, in next step में cancel करेंगे, उसको simplify करना पड़ता ना, direct करे तो कैसा? Right. So 8 by ABC as it is. Okay, into product of numerators, ABC, sorry, numerator to the power 3, denominator power 3. Clear? Numerator power 3, denominator 4 power 3 and also R power 3. ABC is 1 time, ABC is 3 time means 2 time, 1 time cancel means remaining 2 time. एक cancel होगा, power 3 है ना और power 2 रहता. Okay, right. Now 8 into ABC whole square by denominator 4 cube means 64 R cube, 4 into 4 into 4. 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. See, 8 1s are 8 8s are. Means answer is ABC whole square by 4R cube. Okay, ABC, sorry 8 है ना, 8 से cancel करे तो 8 रहता ना यहाँ पे, 8 1s are 8 8s are, 8R cube. C, ABC whole square by 8R cube, एक answer, and one more answer is 8 delta cube by ABC. This is very important, very repeated problem of properties of triangle. Okay, 3 problems repeated problems है इसमें. कौन सा वाला? A terms दिए ए टर्म्स देके आर टर्म्स प्रूव करना एंड आर टर्म्स देके ए बी सी टर्म्स प्रूव करना और ये वाला. फ्रॉम दिस 3 प्रॉब्लम्स 99% one problem is asked in the examination. Okay, right? Next, one more problem. Right, next problem is 19th question. Show that r plus r3 plus r1 minus r2 equals to 4r cos b. Okay, right, the solution is, the LHS term is r plus r3 plus r1 minus r2. See, actually we will use the formulas r equal to delta by s minus a, delta by s minus b, delta by s minus c. The formulas of r formula is delta by s, r3 formula delta by s minus c, r1 formula delta by s minus a, r2 formula delta by s minus b, right? So but actually right side is, there is no delta terms, there is no abc terms, means there is only trigonometric term cos b, means we have to write r, r1, r2, r3 formulas in sine terms. Okay, so r formulas, r, r1, r2, r3, we have the formulas for these r, r1, r2, r3 is in terms of delta and a terms and also trigonometric ratios. Now we have to write trigonometric ratios formulas because of right side term is trigonometric ratio. First of all we have to take r plus r3. Okay, first of all we have to write r plus r3. So r value is, r formula is 4r sine a by 2 plus sine into sine b by 2, sine a by 2 into sine b by 2 into sine c by 2. Clear? And plus r3 formula is, r means total sine terms and 4r also 4r compulsory. Okay, r formula 4r compulsory in all formulas, r, r1, r2, r3, 4r is compulsory and r means total sine terms. R1 means first one sine remaining cos, r2 means second one sine remaining cos, r3 means third one sine remaining cos. First one means a term, second one means b term, third one means c term. Okay, r means total sine, r3 3 means 4r compulsory. Okay, 4r compulsory in all formulas. So पूरे formulas में 4r compulsory रहता, r बोले तो पूरे sine terms, r1 बोले तो first one sine remaining 2 cos, r2 means second one sine remaining cos, r3 means third one sine remaining cos. Third one sine means remaining cos means first one cos, second one cos, third one sine, r3 3 means third one sine remaining cos. Okay, r formulas क्या है, 4r तो कंपल्सरी रहता, r फार्मूला पूरे साइन टर्म्स आता, r1 बोले तो फर्स्ट वन साइन, r2 बोले तो सेकंड वन साइन, r3 बोले तो थर्ड वन साइन. First one sign means remaining cos, second one sign means remaining cos, third one sign means remaining cos. Okay, right. So see, in both the terms 4r is the common. Okay, write the first of all 4r and see sin c by 2, sin c by 2, इसमें भी sin c by 2 है और इसमें भी sin c by 2 है. Write the sin c by 2 means overall 4r sin c by 2 is the common. Write the remaining terms. So 4r sin c by 2 common means what is the remaining, sin a by 2 into sin b by 2 and plus in this 4r sin c by 2 common means what is the remaining, cos a by 2 into cos b by 2. Clear? Cos a by 2 into cos b by 2, right? So that implies 4r sin c by 2 as it is. Okay, see cos a cos b plus sin a sin b, नहीं तो रिवर्स लिखेंगे. फर्स्ट cos a by 2, सेकंड टर्म फर्स्ट लिख रू, cos a by 2 cos b by 2. क्लियर? एंड दिस वन प्लस sin a by 2 sin b by 2, sin a by 2 into sin b by 2. क्लियर? ये फर्स्ट लिखा और ये बाद में लिखा. एंड वी नो द फार्मूला ऑफ 4r sin c by 2. This one is cos A cos B प्लस sin A sin B, A by 2 के जगह पे A समझो, B by 2 के जगह पे B सोचो, ओके, cos A cos B प्लस sin A sin B, formula is cos of A minus B, A means A by 2, B means B by 2, राइट. एक्चुअल अपने को स्टैंडर्ड फार्मूला क्या रहता है, अपने को स्टैंडर्ड फार्मूला cos A cos B, ऑलरेडी लास्ट प्रॉब्लम्स में लिखे थे, साइन ए साइन बी, स्टैंडर्ड फार्मूलास में ए बी रहता, बट ये फार्मूला में अपने को क्या है, ये यहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम में ए के जगह पे ए बाई 2 है, बी के जगह पे बी बाई 2 है. सो इसका फार्मूला cos ऑफ ए माइनस बी means substitute in this, a value is a by 2, b value is b by 2, 4r sin c by 2 cos of a by 2 minus b by 2, right. So right, first one r plus r3 completed. Let next one r1 minus r2, r1 minus r2, clear. So r1 minus r2, r1 means 4r compulsory, r1 means first one sin remaining 2 cos, r2 means second one sin remaining 2 cos, okay. For r1 means 4r, r1 means first one sin remaining 2 cos, means b term is cos and c term also cos. Next minus r2 means second one sin, first one third one cos, means 4r compulsory, 2 means first one cos, r2 means second one sin b by 2 and cos c by 2. सिंपल, याद रखने का कुछ भी टेंशन नहीं है, प्रैक्टिस की भी जरूरत नहीं है. r मीन्स 4r तो कंपलसरी रहता, r मीन्स टोटल साइन टर्म्स, r1 मीन्स फर्स्ट वन साइन रिमेनिंग 2 cos, r2 मीन्स सेकंड वन साइन रिमेनिंग 2 cos, r3 मीन्स थर्ड वन साइन रिमेनिंग 2 cos. 4r तो सब में कंपलसरी, ओके, राइट. फ्रॉम दिस व्हाट इज द कॉमन, 4r कॉमन, ओके, राइट. नेक्स्ट see cos c by 2 cos c by 2, right, means 4r cos c by 2 is the common, 4r cos c by 2 is the common, 4r cos c by 2 common means what is the remaining, sin a by 2 into cos b by 2 minus cos c by 2 common, 4r also common, remaining cos a by 2 sin b by 2, clear, okay. 4r cos c by 2 common means remaining sin a by 2 cos b by 2, 4r cos c by 2 common means cos a by 2 sin b by 2, okay, right. Now see 4r cos c by 2 outside as it is, 4r cos c by 2 as it is. See in this direct formula sin a cos b, a by 2 के जगह पे a समझो, b by 2 के जगह पे b समझो, ओके. sin a cos b minus cos a sin b, formula is sin of a minus b, means a by 2 minus b by 2. sin a cos b minus cos a sin b, formula is sin of a minus b. इसका फार्मूला यहाँ पे लिख रहा हूँ मैं, राइट. सो फार्मूला इज, फार्मूला sin a, स्टैंडर्ड फार्मूला में a b रहता, sin a cos b माइनस cos a sin b, ये फार्मूला है स्टैंडर्ड फार्मूला, ओके. देखो एक बार, sin cos sin, बट a के जगह पे a by 2 है, b के जगह पे b by 2, b इस फार्मूला में भी क्या लिखना, sin ऑफ a माइनस b, sin ऑफ a माइनस b बोले तो a के जगह पे a by 2 लिखना एंड b के जगह पे b by 2, क्लियर, राइट. सो दिस वन आल्सो कंप्लीटेड. नाउ मेन द क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट इज द LHS. LHS इज r plus r3 plus r1 minus r2, okay, r plus r3 r1 minus r2, r plus r3 वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है एंड r1 minus r2 वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करना. व्हाट इज r plus r3 वैल्यू, r plus r3 वैल्यू इज 4r, just substitute the value, r plus r3 value, what is the r plus r3 value, 4r sin c by 2, sin c by 2 into cos of a by 2 minus b by 2, cos of a by 2 minus b by 2, clear, and plus what is r1 minus r2, r1 minus r2 value is 4r cos c by 2 into sin of a by 2 minus b by 2. Clear? Okay, r plus r3 substitution completed, r1 minus r2 substitution completed. Okay, clear? Now 4r is the common. 4r is the common means remaining 4r common. Okay, right, 4r common निकल के remaining जो भी है वो लिख देंगे. Okay, sin c by 2 cos a by 2 minus b by 2 and plus 4r कॉमन चले गया, cos c by 2 sin a by 2 minus b by 2, a by 2 minus b by 2. राइट, 4r कॉमन, राइट द रिमेनिंग टर्म्स. सी एक बार ये देखो, ये फार्मूला ना एक बार देखो, साइन लेट इट इज a sin a cos b प्लस cos a sin b. राइट, a के जगह पे यहाँ पे क्या है, c by 2. व्हाट इज a वैल्यू इन दिस, c by 2 मीन्स लेट c by 2 इज a एंड लेट a by 2 माइनस b by 2 इज b. ओके, c by 2 को a समझो, a by 2 माइनस b by 2 को b समझो. c by 2 is a by 2 minus b by 2 is b. Means formula is, means it is in the form of sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. What is the formula? Formula is 4r into sin of a plus b. उसमें माइनस है इसलिए माइनस, यहाँ पे प्लस है तो प्लस, साइन ऑफ a प्लस बी. व्हाट इज a वैल्यू, c by 2 प्लस a प्लस b. व्हाट इज b वैल्यू, a by 2 माइनस b by 2. क्लियर? ओके, हियर द फार्मूला इज साइन a cos b, ओके, प्लस cos a sin b. ये फॉर्मेशन में है, फिर इसका फार्मूला क्या है, फिर साइन ऑफ a प्लस बी. एक बार देखो और एक बार एक्सप्लेन कर रहा हूँ. साइन a c by 2 के प्लेस में a, बोले तो फार्मूला में अपने को ये स्टैंडर्ड फार्मूला है, स्टैंडर्ड फार्मूला में a भी है, बट a के जगह पे यहाँ पे c by 2 है, इसलिए a के जगह पे c by 2 सब्स्टिट्यूट करें. b के जगह पे a by 2 माइनस b by 2 है, प्लस b के जगह पे a by 2 माइनस b by 2. क्लियर? नाउ 4r अगेन एज इट इज, sin as it is, LCM is c. What is the LCM? R c. यहाँ पे एक बार लिख रहा हूँ मैं, ये दिख रहा किस स्लाइड में, साइड वाला. ओके, राइट. See, I am writing here. So ABC are angles in a triangle means we can write a plus b plus c equals to 180. Clear? Okay, already previous problems में करे थे अपन. Right, divide with 2, a plus b plus c by 2 means a by 2 plus b by 2 plus c by 2 equals to 180 by 2 means divide with 2 means 90 degree. Clear? See, यहाँ पे a by 2 plus c by 2, c by 2 plus a by 2, c by 2 plus a by 2 or a by 2 plus c by 2. Clear? Means 90. यहाँ पे देखो एक बार, a by 2 plus b by 2, both the terms can be written as a by 2 plus c by 2 means plus b by 2 become minus a by 2 plus c by 2. नहीं तो इसको थोड़ा रिवर्स करो, रिवर्स द प्रॉब्लम, रिवर्स द इक्वेशन, c by 2 plus a by 2 and plus b by 2 become minus b by 2 means 90 minus b by 2. Clear? Okay, a by 2 plus c by 2 equal to plus b by 2 become minus b by 2. ये रिवर्स करे तो 90. यहाँ पे कौन सा है, c by 2 plus a by 2. Both the terms can be written as 90 minus b by 2. Already one more b by 2 is there. Clear? Right. That implies 4r sin of 90 minus b by 2 means minus 2b by 2, minus b by 2 minus b by 2 minus 2b by 2. Clear? So 4r sin of 90 minus 2 cancel means 90 minus b. So we have a formula 4r as it is. Sin of 90 minus theta means cos theta. Sin of 90 minus theta equals to cos theta. 90 minus theta equals to cos theta. Sin of 90 minus theta equals to cos theta. Theta के प्लेस में b. So 4r cos b. Minus b by 2 means b by 2 कितने बार है? 2 बार. So means minus 2 into b by 2. 2 cancel r LCM whatever may be. Okay. Right. 4r sin of 90 minus theta means cos theta. Cos what is theta value? B. So answer is RHS 4r cos b. Okay. It is RHS. Clear? 4r cos b. Okay. So this is the solution of 19th one. Okay. Next problem. Right. The next problem is if small r ratio capital R ratio R1 equals to 2:5:12. Okay. R/R/R1 equals to 2:5:12, then prove that the triangle is right angled at A. Right angled at A means we have to show that angle A equals to 90 degree. Right? राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल एट ए बोल के प्रूव करना बोले तो आंसर क्या आना अपने को? कैपिटल ए एंगल इज 90 डिग्री. ओके राइट. कैपिटल ए एंगल इज 90 डिग्री प्रूव कर दिए तो राइट एंगल्ड ट्रायंगल एट ए बोल के आंसर आ जाता. ओके राइट. सो फर्स्ट गिवन इज स्मॉल आर रेशियो कैपिटल आर रेशियो स्मॉल r1 इक्वल्स टू 2:5:12. क्लियर? राइट. Let it is any constant k means small r equals to 2 into any constant and capital R equals to 5 into any constant k. Next small r1 equals to 12 into any constant k. Okay. R is to capital R is to R1 equals to 2:5:12 means R equals to 2 into any constant k. Capital R equal to 5 into any constant k. Small r1 equal to 12 into any k. Any constant. Okay. k की जगह पे अपन कुछ भी ले सकते. Okay. Let r1 minus r वैल्यू कौन सा फाइंड आउट करेंगे अपन? r1 माइनस r. इसमें जो r1 दिए ना उसको लेके अपन कर रहे कन्वीनियंस के वास्ते स्मॉल r1 माइनस स्मॉल r ले रहे. ओके राइट. r1 माइनस r. व्हाट इज r1 वैल्यू? 12k. ओके and minus what is small r value? 2k. Okay. 12k minus 2k is equals to 10k. Clear? 12k minus 2k is 10k. 10k can be written as 2 into 5. Clear? 10k can be written as 2 into 5. 10k. 2 5 is a 10k. Okay. Because of r1 r completed, there is missing capital R is missing. Capital R equals to 5k. That's why we can write 5k. Okay. So 10k can be written as 2 into 5k means 2 into what is 5k value? 5k is capital R means we can substitute 5k answer is capital R means R1 minus, therefore R1 minus R value is 2R. Clear? Now small r1 value. Small r1 means first one sign remaining cos. Okay. So 4r compulsory. 4r sin a by 2 first one sign remaining cos means by into cos b by 2 into cos c by 2. Clear? And minus small r value total sign terms including with 4r. 4r sin a by 2 into sin b by 2 into sin c by 2 into sin c by 2 equals to 2r. Clear? Okay. Right. So that implies see 4r is the common. 4r is the common. Okay. Including sin a by 2 also common. Okay. 4r common and also sin a by 2 common. So 4r sin a by 2 common. What is the remaining? 4r sin a by 2 is the common. Remaining is cos b by 2 into cos c by 2. Clear? Right. Minus 4r sin a by 2, 4r sin a by 2 common. Cos b by 2, cos c by 2. In this 4r sin a by 2 common means what is the remaining? Sin b by 2 into sin c by 2. Clear? Okay, that implies equals to 2r. Clear? Okay, right. Now see sin a by 2 as it is. Sin a by 2 as it is into cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Let b by 2 is a, let c by 2 is b. b by 2 को a समझो, c by 2 को b समझो, right? Cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Okay, it is in the form of cos a cos b minus sin a sin b means cos of a plus b means b by 2 plus c by 2. Clear? Equals to 2r as it is and c. यहाँ पे अपन 4r मिस कर दिए, अपन इच करे 4r मिस नहीं होगा, 4r मिस कर दिए means 4r is in multiply, it will become to the next side is divide. Okay, divide 4r. So r get cancel and 2 1s are 2 2s are. Clear? This answer is formula cos a cos b, okay, minus sin a sin b. This is the standard formula we have in the trigonometry. Cos a cos b minus sin a sin b formation. Formula of this one is cos of a plus b. इसमें a के जगह पे b by 2 लिखना and b के जगह पे c by 2 लिखना. Cos of a plus b, cos of a plus b, a value is b by 2, b value is c by 2. Clear? Now sin a by 2, sin a by 2 and see this one cos of, again same, we know b by 2 plus c by 2 can be written as 90 minus a by 2. b, c is there, a is missing means we can write a by 2, right? Previous problem में clear लिखा था side में, उससे अपन क्या लिख सकते हैं? b by 2 plus c by 2 can be written as 90 degree minus a by 2. Right side c total cancel, in numerator 1 is remaining, denominator 2 is remaining. Okay, means the answer of sin a by 2 into cos of 90 minus a by 2 is 1 by 2. See sin a by 2 as it is. Clear? Okay, sin a by 2 as it is. cos of 90 minus theta, a by 2 को क्या ले लेंगे? थीटा समझो, a by 2 की जगह पे थीटा है समझेंगे. cos of 90 minus theta, cos of 90 minus theta can be written as sin theta. Cos of 90 minus theta is sin theta, sin of 90 minus theta is cos theta. Okay, right? Equals to 1 by 2 as it is. Clear? And next sin a by 2 into sin a by 2, sin square a by 2, double है ना, sin a by 2 into sin a by 2 means sin square a by 2. Remove the square means sin a by 2. Remove the square, एक तरफ square remove कर रहे बोले तो दूसरे तरफ क्या लिखते हैं अपन? Square root लिखते हैं. Square, remove the square means let the root. Okay, sin a by 2 equals to, see, root of 1 is 1, root of numerator, root of denominator means 1 by root 2. Okay, left side again same, sin a by 2 as it is. 1 by root 2 can be written as in sin function sin 45 degree. राइट, लेफ्ट साइड में साइन है ना, इसलिए राइट साइड को ये वैल्यू को क्या लिखे? साइन में, मीन साइन 45 इक्वल टू 1 बाई रूट 2. दैट इम्प्लाइज रिमूव द साइन फंक्शन. रिमूव द साइन फंक्शन मीन्स रिमेनिंग a by 2. रिमूव द साइन फंक्शन मीन्स रिमेनिंग 45. रिमूव द साइन फंक्शन, साइन फंक्शन को रिमूव कर दिए. a by 2 इक्वल्स टू 45. दैट इम्प्लाइज a इक्वल्स टू 45 डिग्री. Divide 2 can become multiply, means capital A equals to 2 into 45 how much? 90. So if capital A angle is 90 degree means therefore the triangle is right angled at capital A. Right angled at capital A. Clear? So this is question number 20. Okay, so 19th कंप्लीट होगा एंड 20th. सो प्रॉब्लम क्या दी है, R1 इक्वल टू 2 5 12, देन प्रूव दैट ट्रायंगल इज ए राइट एंगल्ड ट्रायंगल दी है अपने को. क्लियर, राइट. सो दिस इज द 20th क्वेश्चन. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन इज 21. Okay, the question is, next question is 21. Next problem is, if small r1 equals to 8 and r2 equals to 12, r3 equals to 24, find a, b, c. Okay, right. So if r1 equals to 8, r2 equals to 12, r3 equals to 24, then find small a, small b, small c. Okay, solution is, so the given values, first of all, r1 equals to 8, r1 equals to 8. So r1, r2, r3, then find a, b, c. See, the previous problem same as it is, previous r terms problems, r1, r2, r3 is there, r is missing. Okay, in previous problem r1, r2, r3 is there, find a, b, c. ओके, ये ऐसे वाले सिमिलर प्रॉब्लम्स, दो प्रॉब्लम्स कंप्लीट होगा. सो ये थर्ड प्रॉब्लम है, वो सेकंड प्रॉब्लम, टू प्रॉब्लम्स करे ना, उसमें प्रॉब्लम्स में क्या करे अपने को, वैल्यूज r1, r2, r3 दिए, a, b, c फाइंड आउट करना. इसमें भी सेम है बट r मिस हो गया. सो मींस फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट स्मॉल r. ओके, राइट. सो r1 इक्वल टू 8, r1 मींस फॉर्मूला डेल्टा बाई s माइनस a. सो मेन अभी का प्रॉब्लम क्या है, मैं अपने को स्मॉल आर वैल्यू मिस हो गया. स्मॉल आर वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करने के बाद में प्रीवियस प्रॉब्लम्स में जो करे थे सेम प्रोसेस वो एज इट इज. सो इसमें स्मॉल आर मिस होगा, फर्स्ट स्मॉल आर अपन फाइंड आउट करना है. ओके, सो डेल्टा बाई एस माइनस ए इक्वल्स टू 8. ओके, सो आर क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन इज बाई 1. सो 8 इंटू एस माइनस ए क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन इक्वल्स टू डेल्टा. क्लियर, and from this s minus a equals to delta into s become by 8, means now we have the value s minus a. Now we have the value s minus a, and r1 completed. From r2, what is r2 value? 12. Okay, r2 formula is delta by s minus b equals to 12, means 12 by 1. Same again cross multiplication, 12 into s minus b equals to delta into 1 delta. Now from this s minus b value become delta into 12 become divide, means we have now del s minus b value. Okay, s minus a value completed, s minus b value completed. And next one from r3, what is r3? R3 equals to 24 given, and R3 formula we know already, delta by s minus c equals to 24, means 24 by 1, and cross multiplication is 24 into s minus c, right, equals to delta into 1 delta. Clear, and s minus c answer, s minus c answer is delta into 24 become divide 24. So s minus a, s minus b, and s minus c. Okay, right. See, so equation 1, equation 2, equation 3. Add 3 equations. Let it is 1, and let it is 2, and let it is 3. Okay, so from 1 to 3, from 1, 2, and 3, add the equations. First s minus a, add the LHSs, s minus a plus s minus b plus s minus c, LHS plus LHS plus LHS complete होगा. Next RHS, RHS delta by 8, RHS delta by 12, RHS delta by 24. Clear, delta by 8, delta by 12, delta by 24. See, s plus s, 3s. Let remaining from 3 minus common, means minus of a plus b plus c. Clear, minus a minus b minus c, इसमें से minus common निकाल दिए तो a plus b plus c. And see, from this delta is common, delta common means 1 by 8 plus 1 by 12 plus 1 by 24. Clear, खाली डेल्टा कॉमन निकाले. ओके राइट. नाउ 3s minus a plus b plus c means 2s equals to delta as it is. See, LCM is 24 because 24 is in 8th table, 24 is in 12th table, means LCM is 24. In 8th table 24, 8 3s means 3, multiply with 3 to the numerator, 3 into 1 3. In 12th table 24 2s 2 into numerator 1 2, and denominator LCM same means numerator as it is. So 3s minus 2s means yes equals to delta. C, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 1 6, 6 delta r, delta as it is 6 by 24. Clear? 6164. So s equals to delta by 4. Clear? S equals to delta by 4. Okay, now main problem we have to find out r value. Right, so s equals to डेल्टा बाई 4 वैल्यू आया, अपने को अभी r वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करना है. ओके, r वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करना बोल तो व्हाट इज द r फार्मूला? r इक्वल्स टू डेल्टा बाई s. r इक्वल्स टू डेल्टा बाई s. नाउ r इक्वल्स टू डेल्टा एंड व्हाट इज s वैल्यू? s वैल्यू क्या आया अपने को अभी? डेल्टा बाई 4 आया. राइट, अभी एस वैल्यू आया था ना अपने को, एस वैल्यू क्या आया? डेल्टा बाई 4. सो आर इक्वल्स टू डेल्टा एज इट इज लिखो. दिस डिनोमिनेटर डेल्टा बाई 4 बिकम रेसिप्रोकल 4 बाई डेल्टा. सो डेल्टा डेल्टा कैंसल. नाउ द वैल्यू ऑफ स्मॉल आर इज 4. सो क्वेश्चन में स्मॉल आर मिस कर दिए ना, स्मॉल आर मिस हो गया था इसलिए स्मॉल आर अपन फाइंड आउट कर दिए. राइट, नाउ देयरफॉर आर वैल्यू इज 4 एंड r1 वैल्यू इज 8 एंड r2 वैल्यू इज गिवन 12, r3 वैल्यू इज गिवन 24. नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट स्मॉल abc वैल्यूज. ओके, नाउ वी नो द फार्मूला. Right, so 4 double a square, so total square root cancel means 4 into 2 into 4 into 3, 4 into 2 into 4 into 3, so 4 2s are 8, right, 4 2s are 8 and 4 3s are 12, so 12 8s are 96, 12 8s are 96, so delta value is. Okay, delta equals to. Okay, right, so delta equal to 96 completed. यहाँ तक कंप्लीट कर दे रहे हैं अपन. राइट, आई थिंक माइक में चार्जिंग कंप्लीट होगा. ओके, प्रॉब्लम बाद में कंटिन्यू कर दे तुम्हें. राइट, सो इफ यू लाइक द क्लास प्लीज लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब. ओके, थैंक यू.